Hello and welcome to JLM University. My name is Paul and today I'm going to show you how to change out a lower shroud on a power pole move PV. Please check the description below for a list of recommended tools. Before doing any work on your power pole move PV, be sure to turn off the power and beware of pinch points. The first thing we need to do is to remove both screws from the upper shroud assembly and lift up. Now by hand, remove both water shield clips and lift the water shield out. Now we're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to remove the two Phillips screws in either the power cord or the coil cable, depending on what side you are replacing. Now we're going to remove the wire lead from the baseboard and then pull it through the lower shroud. Next, we will remove the 3 screws from the lower shroud. Now remove your lower shroud. Now it's time to install our lower shroud into position. Next, we will reinstall our screws with lock washers. Be sure to use your torque wrench and tighten to the specific torque specifications found in your instructions provided. And now it's time to prep the baseboard. We need to apply dielectric grease. And now it's time to reinstall the wire lead through the hole in the lower shroud and onto the baseboard. Next, we need to fasten the wire lead to the baseboard with the 2 screws. Next, we need to add dielectric grease to the cavities on the back of the water shield and then place it onto the baseboard. With the water shield in position, we need to install our water shield clips. And that is how you change a lower shroud on a power pole move PV. Thank you for watching.